Hello and welcome to yet another XOP video. So in this video we'll be showing you the xAPP called the NFT Creator. It's currently not published yet, it's in a private beta, and I will basically showing you how it works. So when we will create so currently you can issue um, NFTs on the XP ledger. It's basically creating an issued currency and just issuing the smallest number even ever possible. So basically, like the smallest number is whatever 10 to the power of minus 8. So it's something very small, 0.00 whatever. So 8 zeros there. So it's more directly or more specifically explained here. So you can see here the proposal by Witz Wins, who's also working on the XUMM app. You can basically look a little bit over it, how it works here. But we will just use the XOP Creator app now. And the NFT token creator. So we do understand that it's experimental. So we will need two accounts. So I've got two accounts, to which we both have the key. I will have to pay 2.5 XOP as the service fee here. Right. So let's go on. Your XUMM app is connected to the main network, so we will do it on the main network, right? So no liability and stuff like that. So we'll accept all of that. So now I will choose the issuer account. The issuer account should not have any trust lines. So we'll click on the Dev2 account and we'll sign here. So the Dev2 account is the second one. This is going to be the issuer. And again, it shouldn't have any outgoing trust lines, so it's recommended. So the recipient account, so the account who should get the NFT is the XOP Dev account. I want that one to receive the NFT. Right, so let's go on. Then next, so now we need a currency code, so we'll call that one here Dev. Right, so not a valid currency, so we can define it how I would like to. So basically, we'll call it Dev token. Dev and we're just gonna call it Dev. And number of NFT. How many NFTs do you want to create? Well, let's create 10. NFT as usual 1. No, you know what? I'm gonna choose 1. So like I said, it's basically an issued currency. So right now we're just creating our own issued currency. But you know what? Let's choose 1. So that it's an NFT. In the following step-by-step guide, you will need to sign various transactions, right? So let's go on. Yes, I understand it not change the pre-selected account, so we'll not change it. So first, I will have to pay 2.5 XRP as a service fee. So we'll do that. So we will have to sign a transaction again, and it's gone through. Then we can continue. We will have to set default ripple. Alright, so that this is for the issuing account again. So signing again here. Alright, so let's continue. So we did that. So set trust of your NFT. So now I have the issuer has to set a trust line. As we can see here, the issuer, right, has to set a trust line. So let's do that as well. Alright, so we also did that. And now issuing an NFT. So on for me, there's a set I've read, understand the right. So my main account will receive now one dev NFT. So issue an NFT here. So I'm gonna issue that here now. So one dev is being transferred to my account. And so Blackhole Issuer. So now I could, as we know, we've got basically, as I told you, this is basically an issued currency. So when an account is an issued currency, so when an account issues a currency, it can create more of that. So it could delete my account, so it's a black hole issue, so it would be deleting my other accounts. But I won't do that now because then I would get 15 over 20 locked up with XOP back, but I would basically quote unquote pay. What was it? It would basically pay like 5 XOP, so 5 XOP would be gone, so we'll skip that here, and I'm done. So now you can see here, I've got my NFT token here. So you can even see here there's NFT here. So it's a dev token. And I now am the owner of my own NFT token called dev. Oh no, I don't want to delete it. Right, so that's basically it. So we just issued our own NFT over the XUMM ledger to our account here, and you can also check out the issuer account. So you can see here that it have two accounts. This is basically, like I said, an issued currency. So basically. And yeah, so also we can check it out here. So you can also see that the minimum reserve has been heightened because I've got the NFT token here. As you can see here, an additional 5 XRP are locked up because of that token here. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one.